Yes, ma'am.
I'm Esther Uribe. My mother died on Tuesday, and I am here tonight because this is that important. The future of our children requires it of me. We still have to live in HISD long after my mother is laid to rest. I'm calling on the Board of Managers to pause all dismissals, non-renewals, and forced resignations until the board has reviewed the fairness of these cuts. Wraparound specialists, librarians, and custodial staff are critical to the overall well-being, health, safety, and academic success of our students. We cannot underestimate their importance and value. Top principals are being asked to resign, and for what? Being better at their job than Mike Miles? Allowing teachers the freedom and creativity to teach? Auden Sarabia is one of the most amazing principals I've ever met. He has built a program where my child and others like her thrive. Please do not force him out of MPVA. Our students need his leadership, not his.
Thank you, ma'am.